Hehehehe. Hi! Ito naman.
Gala-gala.
Gala-gala in life. Para lang kami magka-tricking. In the middle of the lunch time. Okay, how to get there in this place. So, kulong ta start. One ride ra. Magsakta na mag 13C. And then, or 62B. Then, ito galing sa Gihanga ko yan! Gosh! Colon going to USC, Talamban for only 10 pesos. Oh, hangak siya guys! Mauri itong gi-offeran mi og 10 peso for motor. But, wala mi kay mahal-mahal daw ko no. So, ganahan mi mag-backfly. So, yes.
Nagtawa ko yun.
Yeah, nice.
Wow.
Ay, natin mga yan.
Yeah. Nice siya guys. So, for those manag-uya, family, friends, na away from home, gusto feel like home, then yeah, gamay din siya gasto. Visit na mo here. Kasi ganini siya, family park.
Very na po
Yeah. Mag-jogging.
One day.
Mag-jogging with the soon na po.
Dito naman yun.
Lagi, one ride, bitaw siya no. Easy, ready kayo siya. Oh, you can see that guys. Oh, nice kayo up there. Oh, so earthy. I see. Mauna na siya. Doon na shoot me guys. Nasaan sila yung mga playground guys. So, together with your kids, katong sa mga family nga mag-banding, you can visit family park. So, mag-choose me kung asa mi mo lingkod. Yay! Maka-swing-swing me on ya later here. I hope we can enjoy. Yeah, you can grill also here. Nasa dahi siya yung mga baligya here. Gosh, looks like na nasa sila Brog, sabing lake daw. Na dito lang swimming pool. There. We're going nag-photoshoot dito nga side, guys. Time check. 12:57. Mag-lunch na me. Just a simple dinner.
And drinks, and drinks.
Lunch there. Hello.
Yeah. Guys. No soda, no liquor, just milk and water.
Water, scary.
Because ayan, healthy living.
Healthy living. Hangin kayo. See? Then, dagan kay gaputi shoot.
Kaya nagas ko. Kahit rakuan or magluto. Ay,
Mani mo ang food. Chicken.
so, weird na siya. For lunch milk.
For lunch milk also.
1 liter. Ano ba lang siya?
Yay. Simple lunch. Yeah, we have sardines. Spanish
From the Polo.
style. This sardines is from the Polog, according to Ian. Yeah, milk kayo mi guys. Sorry, we don't drink liquors.
Very good ang nice nga yan.
Cheers with the milk.